years, I thought maybe I just wasn't good enough to be an engineer. I remember sitting in front of a problem that honestly weren't even that difficult. I wanted to solve them. I knew I should be able to solve them. But my brain just refused to cooperate. I couldn't focus. I felt stuck. Meanwhile, the people around me seemed comfortable in that environment. And I kept wondering why everything felt so much harder for me. I honestly thought maybe engineering just wasn't for me. But then something strange would happen. I'd get home, or I'd go swimming, and suddenly the answer was there. Same engineer, same knowledge, same problem, different environment. It took me years to understand what was really happening. Before COVID, I worked in a huge open office and I never felt comfortable there. Not physically, mentally. I felt like I could hear everything. Conversation, someone just laughing 3 rows away, people walking behind me, someone asking questions nearby, a phone ring, a notification sound. My brain was trying to process all of it. At the same time, I was also trying to solve an engineering problem. And eventually, everything just became noise. Looking back, I don't think the problem was engineering. I don't think the problem was my knowledge. I think my brain was simply getting overwhelmed. But I didn't know anything of that at that time. I honestly thought that something maybe was wrong with me. But then something strange started happening. Whenever I got home from work or whenever I went swimming, I'd suddenly know exactly what to do. The answer was just there, and I felt ridiculous. I spent all day struggling with that problem, then 20 minutes in the swimming pool, somehow my brain figured it out. I used to be a competitive swimmer, but these days I mostly swim for fitness. But swimming has always been a place where my mind became quiet. And I slowly start noticing a pattern. Same engineer, same knowledge, same problem, different environment. Then COVID happened, and the company I worked for decided we would work from home permanently. First, it felt strange, but after 1 week or two, I noticed something. My performance improved dramatically. I could focus for hours. I could even hyper focus. I was getting more done, solving problems faster, finishing projects earlier, and for the first time in the year, engineering finally felt natural. That's where I realized something. I wasn't bad engineer. I wasn't missing knowledge. My brain was simply overwhelmed. Around the same time, I discovered something else. Sleep. If I stay up late, the next day it's pretty much gone. Seriously, my brain feels foggy. I'm less patient, less motivated. Even simple thing feels harder than should be. And the entire day is basically ruined. So instead of just trying to make my day longer, I decide to move them. So these days I wake up at exactly 4:26 every morning. People ask me why 4:26? Well, because I need 4 minutes to become a functioning human being. I wash my face, walk downstairs, turn on coffee machine, and headed into the garage. By 4:30, I'm working. Building project, recording videos, learning something new, or just enjoying the fact that nobody needs anything from me yet. There is one thing I know would probably help me even more. Less caffeine. But I really love coffee, so maybe in a year or two, but definitely not tomorrow. It took me almost 40 years to understand what was going on. Looking back, I think ADHD explained a lot of it. But honestly, this video isn't really about ADHD. It's about understanding yourself. For years, I was trying to work like everyone else. Stay up late, work in busy office, ignore distraction, push through it, and it never worked. Things only start getting better when I stop fighting my brain. I stopped trying to become someone else and start building my own life around how I actually function. I work from home, I wake up early, I swim, and I protect my sleep. I probably drink too much coffee. And somehow, engineering finally feels natural. Maybe some of you watching this feels the same way, and if you do, maybe there's nothing wrong with you either. I'm still figuring things out, but at least now I'm finally working with my brain instead of against it.